Natural resources, air, water and land.
Natural resources, air, water and land.
Dear children, air, water and land are the factors important for sustaining the living
Air, water and plants important for
world on the earth and for fulfilling their basic needs. They are called natural resources.
They are
Air,
called natural resources.
water and land are called the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere respectively.
Air, water and plants. Air is atmosphere, water is atmosphere.
Moreover, different living things occupy these three spheres of the Earth. These living things and the parts of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere they occupy are together called the biosphere. These
Biosphere.
spheres have formed on the Earth naturally. The atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the Earth.
The atmosphere is the layer of the earth,
And the surface of the Earth comprises
the surface of the earth,
29% land and 71% of water on the Earth's surface.
land 29%, water 71%.
First, air. The air in the atmosphere around the Earth
The air in the atmosphere
contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, 6 inert gases, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, and dust particles. The troposphere contains about 80% of the total mass of the gas in the air, while this proportion is 19% in the stratosphere. In the mesosphere and ionosphere, the proportion goes on decreasing and gases are not found in the
and gases are not found
exosphere and beyond. The amount of the gases in the air is the greatest and decreases as we go higher and higher from the surface. Now these are the uses of gases in air. Nitrogen.
Now these are the uses of gas in air.
It helps living things to build the necessary proteins. It is useful in the production of ammonia and in airtight packaging
It is useful to the production of ammonia
of food stuff. Respiration and for combustion. Carbon dioxide plants use for
carbon dioxide plant use
preparing food and it is used in fire extinguishers.
and it is used in fire experiment.
Is used in electric bulbs.
It is used in electric bulbs.
Helium is used for obtaining low temperature and for generating lift in airships. Neon is used lights and for street lighting. Krypton is used in fluorescent tubes and xenon is used in flash photography. Here we can see a large-scale emission of smoke through different agencies. And this smoke
through different agencies
directly mixes with the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituents of air, and it is called air pollution.
Air
Harmful gases
population.
are given out through combustion of fuels in vehicles and in big industries, and as a result, air pollution is increasing day by day.
Air pollution is incurred by
The harmful substances are
the
nitrogen
harmful substances are
dioxide, carbon
nitrogen dioxide,
dioxide, carbon monoxide,
carbon dioxide,
sulfur dioxide,
carbon monoxide,
soot. Then ozone layer, which is a protective shell. There is a layer of
ozone layer, the protestant shield.
ozone gas in the lower part of the stratosphere. The ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays coming
The ozone got absorbed
from the sun, and the life on earth is protected. This ozone layer is destroyed if
this ozone layer is destroyed.
chemical gases like carbon tetrachloride or chlorofluorocarbon
Can carbon get fluorized
used in air conditioners and
used in air conditioner?
refrigerators mix with the air. Water. We need to drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day, so
We have drink 4 liters of water every day.
that all our bodily functions run smoothly. In nature, water occurs in 3 states:
In nature, water occurs in state
liquid, solid, and gas. And water does not have color, taste, or odor. Many
and water does not have color, taste and
substances directly dissolve in water, so it is
many substances directly dissolve in water.
universal solvent. The blood of animals and the sap in plants contain a very high
The blood of animals,
proportion of water, and therefore water is life. The water available on earth
the water available on the earth
is percentage wise in season
percentage wide
and oceans 97%. Water in frozen state
97%.
2.7%.
Sea and ocean
So water
97%.
available for drinking, that is fresh water,
Water available for drinking
is only 0.3%, which is a very small quantity, and even then it is enough for all living things. We get water from natural sources such as streams,
we
rivers,
get water from natural sources
springs, and lakes, and man also digs wells and bore wells to lift
and well and bore well.
water.
Thank you.